Hey, buddy. I see you found a bag. Is that like the new hiding spot? Do I have to arrange the bag to your liking? Maybe. Gonna go check it out. See if it's suitable. No, not quite happy with the setup at the moment. Okay. Alright, buddy. Pretty soon, though. Pretty soon, I have the feeling you're gonna be inside that bag. Yep. Oh, you're checking the perimeter, making sure it's good. Is it good? Maybe. Ooh, ears back a little bit. Ears back. Yeah. If we open the front door a little bit. So as long as we open the front door, no. Okay. Alright. Well, we'll figure it out. We'll figure it out. But I know the rule. The orange cat rule. Oh. Yeah, well, the orange cat rules don't die. So, we'll see how this goes later.